Maytag washing machine motor. Oh, it's on a pin. It won't come off the ball. You mad you going through that too, Audrey?
It's a hit and miss motor. That's what it's supposed to do. When it runs like that, it'll hit and miss.
Now what's it sound like under load? I'll be damned. So what causes it to got a governor in then? What causes it to do that missing?
What it does is it's got the piston's got a cup on it. That's a carburetor right there. Hell, it ain't nothing. It's just a mixer. What you call a mixer. Yeah, that's where you
So
just-
yeah, you're just manually adjusting your fuel.
Yeah, see the gas tank's on the bottom of it.
And what keeps it from over revving and then does the acts like it's got a governor?
You
know that is the missing?
The way you set the coil and the points on it. But see, it it only runs so fast. That's it.
I need this today, so I'm cutting them trees down with it.
You get it running, you gotta make it won't run too fast because it'll flood itself out. See what I'm saying? Different crap, so. That's a Maytag.
All it does is flood itself out once it gets,
Yeah.
and it won't give it enough spark to go that.
Right. You see how it started smoking?
Yeah.
It'll clear right up whenever it warms up.
You can add all the fuel you want, it ain't gonna change it. Huh.
About a horse and a half. The washing machine back there goes with it.
No shit. Let's do
It was froze. It was froze solid. I put it in a big barrel and boiled it in water and broke it loose.
no kid.
Put new rings in it and
That is
put new
neater than
points.
shit.
Redone that carburetor, or the mixer, what they call mixer, redone that. Just something I put
That
in.
probably won't do them thong britches, Roger. That probably tear them right up.
That thing's wild as crap. If you take that mixer off that and look through that, you look right straight at the back of the piston. There's a little slit there in front of that piston. It's got a little cup on it. When it comes back, it sucks that gas in that and it goes back up. And it sparks. That's what fires it. That's funny how it does that.
Huh.
It ain't got no, it's just like a two-cycle motor. It don't got no, well, it is a two-cycle. You mix the gas with it.
Yeah.
And that spark plug will light you up. It'll burn you up.
See, them old women in the old days, they had to be mechanics too, didn't they?
Yeah.
They was
See, and that's got like a flex pipe on it. The hooks onto it, and then you just run it off like, well, they had them in old wash houses, you know. That flex pipe, you just run it outside, and then on the end of it, it's got a little muffler on it. You can't even hear them run hard.
That's amazing. What year? What era?
29.
29.
Yeah. Well, good.
For your time.
The end of the roaring 20s, he's running them.
Imagine going outside and starting motor washing clothes. Yeah, and them semi-dollars